Do you want to lose weight and get healthy? If your answer is yes, it's important to lower the amount of carbohydrates that you eat. Junk foods are high in processed carbohydrates and refined sugars. They cause inflammation in the organs, such as in the liver, which then produces more body fat. In this video, I'll discuss the list of the top 11 healthy foods which contain zero or almost zero carbs or sugars. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. So, consult your doctor if you have any medical concerns. 1. Grass-fed meat. 0 grams digestible carbs. Choose high-quality grass-fed animal meats like beef, lamb or organ meats like liver. These are absolutely essential blood-building sources of protein and are rich in bioavailable iron and vitamin B12. Red meats contain no carbohydrates and they are needed for the development of strong healthy muscles and also provide energy to the body. 2. Eggs. 0.6 carbs per egg. Pasture-raised eggs contain all the building blocks of life and contain only trace amounts of carbs. Eggs are a great source of choline and lecithin, which can break down fat inside the liver and help to lose weight. Eggs are also rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals which help the body cells to heal and grow. Recommendation. Eating 2 to 4 eggs per day will keep you full, feeling focused and reduce cravings for snacks and junk food. 3. Kale. 0 grams digestible carbs. Organic kale is hands down one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on the planet. This leafy green vegetable contains 2 times the vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk and more potassium than bananas. Kale contains no starches or sugars, only healthy fiber. Start eating this lightly steamed as a side dish or you can blend it raw into smoothies daily to see some major health improvements in your body. 4. Cheese. 0.4 grams carbs per 1 ounce. Cheese is a healthy source of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, and K2. Eating cheese helps calcium to be absorbed into your bones, your teeth, and your nails. It also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins which can improve the health of your brain and help you to concentrate. Make sure that the cheese you choose is high quality from grass-fed cows or goats. The best choices are cheddar, camembert, halloumi brie, goat's cheese, and mozzarella. 5. Pecan nuts. 1 gram net carbs per ounce. If you like eating nuts, I recommend choosing pecans as they contain a very low amount of net carbs but contain a high amount of soluble fiber which helps to control blood sugars. Pecans are rich in zinc, copper, vitamin B1 and also monounsaturated fat, which will help to keep you satisfied and less likely to crave junk foods when you're losing weight. I recommend eating a small handful of these after your meal or you can chop them up and mix them with sugar-free dark chocolate. 6. Cruciferous vegetables. 0 grams digestible carbs. When trying to improve your health or losing weight, it's 100% essential that you load up on the leafy greens in the cruciferous family such as cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, bok choy, arugula and collard greens. These vegetables are densely packed full of phytochemicals that help your liver to remove toxins from your body. You'll need to eat these to meet your potassium and magnesium needs that help to lower insulin resistance so that you can burn fat at a rapid rate. 7. Wild oily fish. Approximately 0 grams carbs per 3 ounces. On a low-carb diet, oily fish are some of the best natural sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids that you could eat. Omega-3s from wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies all lower inflammation throughout your body, and they reverse oxidative damage, which is caused by eating sugary foods in the past. Make sure that you do avoid the farmed fish as these contain toxic antibiotics, synthetic food coloring agents and are fed a very poor diet, making them a low-quality food, which is low in nutrients. 8. Butter. 0.1 grams carbs per 100 grams. Pure butter that has not been blended with vegetable oil is one of the healthiest sources of retinol to protect and rejuvenate your eyes, skin and hair. Butter has a bad reputation because of its cholesterol content. However, the cholesterol in butter is absolutely essential for the body. It's used to build hormones like insulin, estrogen, testosterone and cortisol, which are all needed in the perfect balance to help you lose weight. So, start cooking your foods in real butter instead of the inflammatory oils to help strengthen your bones with calcium, to minimize your cravings and also to help your gallbladder release bile, which will help your body break down fat. 9. Sauerkraut, 0.1 net carbs per 1 ounce. Sauerkraut is a form of fermented cabbage and is one of the richest sources of vitamin C and probiotics in the world. Recommendation: eat this 2 to 3 times per week to boost the amount of friendly bacteria in your body, helping to support gut health and lowering blood sugar for weight loss. Fermented vegetables are very easy to digest for those who have digestive disorders like acid reflux, IBS, Crohn's or diverticulitis. The probiotics and the prebiotic fiber in these foods will feed the cells in your colon to heal any existing damage. Number 10. Avocados, 0-4 grams carbs, and extra virgin olive oil, 0 grams carbs. When you're cutting out carbs and sugar, you definitely want to add more healthy fats into your diet to help control your appetite. Avocados are one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the world and are rich in monounsaturated fats which provide fuel and energy to your cells. Avocados are also rich in potassium, magnesium and a molecule called avocadin B, all of which improve hormone balance, lower insulin resistance and help your body to metabolize and burn fat. Similarly, extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest cooking ingredients. It's loaded with anti-inflammatory chemicals which can get rid of pain, swelling, joint pain, inflammation and also improve the health of your liver. 11. Herbs, 0 grams carbs, and spices, 1-3 grams carbs per teaspoon, to heal any ailment in your body or to help you lose weight. Eat freshly chopped herbs in salads on a regular basis. Some of the most healing herbs are mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary and thyme. These herbs don't contain any starches, but they're packed full of antioxidants and phytonutrients that can support weight loss and blood sugar management. Likewise, I also recommend spices like turmeric, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper and ginger. These are some of nature's most powerful natural healers, which help to repair the liver, the pancreas and the digestive organs. Spices contain a very tiny amount of carbs, but you don't need much of them to get the benefits and to give your meals a delicious flavor. Eat lots of healthy fats like avocados, eggs, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil. These fats help your body to switch from burning glucose to burning body fat. Thank you so much for watching my video today.